Hey guys, I'm back with another What I Eat in a Day video, and today I'm going to the only raw vegan food truck in Houston, Texas, so I'm excited about that, so come along. So for breakfast, I had some tofu scramble with potatoes. I'm microwaving one russet potato for 4 minutes. I just wrapped it in a paper towel. And now I'm crumbling the tofu into a pan. I'm adding some ground black pepper, some black salt, some garlic powder, and some turmeric. Now I'm adding the potatoes. I'm adding some black pepper, some onion powder, and some sea salt. For lunch, we went to the Traveling Carrot, the only raw vegan food truck in Houston, Texas. If you're in the Houston area, I recommend you go here. It was really, really good. We got some banana ice cream, some raw vegan nachos, more raw vegan nachos, some apple cobbler, donut holes, and a fajita salad. This is the apple cobbler and some banana ice cream. Has coconuts on it, coconuts, a carob sauce.
I would have thought that a raw apple cobbler would have been good. It's gonna be like that Crisco oil. Butter to keep it. These are really good.
This apple cobbler and banana ice cream, so good. It's so refreshing. You don't need any butter, flour, none of that stuff. It's just so good. So good. I got these raw vegan donut holes. Here are the ingredients. It's nuts, dried coconut, dates, dried pineapple, vanilla, and sea salt. These donut holes are good. That's good. If you haven't been to Traveling Carrot, go there. They have really good raw vegan food. I'm trying some of the fajita salad. Has like raw vegan sour cream on it. This is good. Mushrooms, tomatoes, peppers. I don't know what kind of sauce this is. I think it's just sour cream and seasonings. This is so good.
Carrot.
Carrots. It doesn't taste raw vegan.
Very flavorful.
Yeah, very savory. I'm gonna be going here a lot. Everyone likes it.
My mom likes it, my sister likes it, my dog likes it. Okay.
Raw vegan nachos. Got some sour cream, avocado, cilantro, tomato.
How do they make these chips?
It says sprouted sunflower seed chips.
Sprouted sunflower seed chips. These are so good. I can get used to this.
Yeah, it's really good.
Green onions.
Look at that. This just shows you that raw vegan food, and just vegan food in general, could be delicious. Healthy and delicious. I'm just snacking on some blackberries right now. And then I'm going to work out. Get some exercise in. I might do like a fitness blender workout, like those quick cardio workouts, or I might just dance in my living room. Whatever I feel like doing. So I will see you when I'm making my dinner.
So for dinner, I had a veggie masala burger, some fries, and salad with the tahini dressing. So for the fries, I'm just adding some onion powder, some garlic powder, black pepper, and smoked paprika. I didn't add any oil to it. The potatoes are still wet, so you just have to mix it together and they'll stick. And I baked it at 425 for about 25 minutes. For the tahini dressing, I'm using this tahini I got from Trader Joe's. I'm adding a half cup and a half cup of apple cider vinegar. If I were to do it again, I would use less vinegar because it was a little too vinegary. A half a lemon, a half teaspoon of garlic salt, some black pepper to taste, and I just mixed it up with some boiling water until it was the consistency that I like.
Well, that sums up my day. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.